Welcome to Moe'smoon Tarot. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. This will be a reading for all signs. It is so hot. Woo. Jeez. Too hot to be cute. Then it'd be cold. It was cold. I'd probably be explaining too, so. Right? Alright, let's see. Ooh. Nine of Swords. First card out. Somebody's scared to take a leap of faith into something here. Scared to take a chance here with something. Here. Three of Swords. Afraid you can get heartbroken. Queen of Coins. Y'all always coming out in the collecting. Could be an herb sign. Here. Queen of Cups. Could be a water sign. King of Swords here. Could be an air sign. Okay, okay. Alright. Let's look at this shit. Hmm. Ooh. 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 Somebody trying to make a decision. They're not sure what to do. Here. Two of arrows, sacrifice, and the Eight of Pentacles here. Y'all see. I don't know why did they feel like a deja vu. I don't know why. Somebody's not sure here. They want to hang on working on something, but at the same time, they want to move towards someone else here. Shit. That's what I'm seeing. Or just for their singlehood and independence too as well. This might even have something to do with a job for some of you here. Maybe you don't like your job. Five of Coins. This might got something to do with money. Five of Coins, Nine of Cups, Eight of Cups here. I'm getting somebody thought they wanted something, but they don't. Here. For some of you, this is work related, I feel. If thought something was going to be wish fulfillment with someone here. I see where somebody's stressed out, wanting to take a leap of faith here, afraid of getting brokenhearted, might also be afraid of rejection here from someone. Could have been someone that they left out in the cold here too, as well. Something was about finances here. I see where they have someone, but they're not sure about them neither. They feel like walking away from this person here. Maybe this person wants all of their time, all of their attention here. Let's see. Worried about taking a leap of faith. Stressed out about something. Three of Swords. Some of you might be worried that you're just gonna get your heart broken. You're afraid of something new here, but I'm also reading it like this is someone who got their heart broken or broke someone's heart, and now they're afraid to reach out here. They feel like somebody might leave them out in the cold here. Could be a earth sign, a watery here. I'm getting rejection energy. This is definitely a third party situation with this Three of Swords. Um, I see where they're with a water sign here. Or someone who drinks a lot here. Somebody who always want their way here. And they kind of get tired of that. They seeing the truth here. Eight of Cups above King of Swords here. Could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini here. I feel like this person's trying to gather their emotions, trying to figure out what they wanted. I just feel like they don't. All these cups and this A. Somebody feel like they just can't get no space. They can't get away from somebody. That's how I'm seeing. That's what they look like. You know how when you need your own emotional balance, here, time to assert yourself, gather yourself. Here, I feel like this person never has time to do that here. I'm getting I want, I need, I need. Here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Might be dealing with somebody who's intuitive for some of you. I don't know. Let's see. What's this Nine of Swords? Let's dig in. Something might be an unexpected heartbreak here too. Somebody might have to leave or got left here because somebody wanted someone else. Also, see we can see it like that too here. What's this Nine of Arrows here? Oh. Nine of Arrows here. This came out last reading. Three of Pentacles. Stressed out. Wanting something gonna work out. Worried about a third party here. Knight of Wands here. Somebody was dealing with a player here. A community whore. Somebody was dealing with a community whore. The Empress here could be a Libra, a Taurus that's experiencing this here. Or somebody wanted to be with this woman right here. Knight of Coins here. Okay. Besides the third party situation, I see where something that you're working on, you might be stressed about. This might be something that you're creating here for yourself here. You feel like it's not moving. I feel like it's going to have a lot of growth and success here. Yeah, it's going to move in fast. Something you are committed to here. For others of you, somebody isn't being honest in a marriage here. They might have been holding back. Now they want to open up here and show love to a situation here and heal. What's this Knight of Coins? What's that? King of Cups here. Somebody's taking their time here. Um, Emotional intelligent here too as well. So I feel like some masculine energy is trying to feel something out first. Is I don't know, I heard test the water, so somebody might come in just to test to see where your levels are, how you feel here. They nervous as fuck. Whoever they are. Could be a water sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. What is this? Yeah, the lovers. Somebody loves you, baby. Ooh, this is a divine union here. This person also feels like it was very unexpected here. It's like when you were with somebody and then all of a sudden things just hit you. Things just flash before your eyes here. What's this lover's card? Somebody's making a decision to not move too fast here with this Fool card here. They want a new beginning here, but they're taking it slow. That's how I'm seeing it with that Knight of Coins here. That's because they want to make sure that you're really going to receive them here, open up to them here with this Lover's card here. Yeah. This man has on a blindfold here. Yeah, so they're trying to see here. Somebody wants to fight for this. Five of Swords here. This could have been someone who betrayed you, lied on you here too. Wanted to win by all means here. Could have been someone you're married to. Could be a Taurus too, but somebody's coming in here, wanting a commitment here. They're not sure if you still feel the same Knight of Cups in reverse. That's going back to what I said. Will you receive them? Will you take them here? In their mind? Yeah, but they're going to let loose here. What's the Five of Swords here? I feel like somebody's upset about a decision they made here. Yes, emotionally upset here. They made the wrong decision. Yeah. I'm hearing live to regret. Okay. Could be a water sign here, but this is a divine spiritual union. When you get the King and the Queen of Cups, y'all are spiritually in tune, spiritually connected here. This is the type of person where you know how to perhaps read each other's thoughts, read each other's minds here. Okay. What else? I feel like this person don't want to get you emotionally upset too. They don't want to see that with that blindfold. Yeah, they don't. The moon. The moon. I feel like with this moon card, your intuition been telling you this person was gonna come around. You gonna get a nut. I feel like you just gonna know. Cause y'all spiritually connected. So you gonna know when this person comes in. It's gonna be just like that before it happened. Could be 5 minutes, 5 hours here with that five. What's this Three of Swords here? But I also feel like you fear of taking this person back. You don't want to get heartbroken again here too as well. So you got hold on. Just keep on going. What's this Three of Swords? Okay, King of Pentacles. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Here. Perhaps somebody is not stable here with this King of Pentacles here. This person is heartbroken over their stability here too as well. Something might have something to do with something material here too as well. This could be your husband because I got the king and the queen. There's someone in here that's okay. Could be done with a earth sign here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, the more this person resists you, the more hurt they feel here. It might was in their ego, but the more they resist you, the more hurt they feel. I feel like something is haunting them with that Nine of Swords, which was the first card out, right? So something is haunting this person, haunting their mind here. They can't stop thinking about you. This is the Empress here. It's like they're wondering why you are resisting them. Okay, let's see. Could be a Leo. Could be a Leo in the mix. Let's see. Yeah, it's judgment. This person know you're their person. Here with this judgment card here. This is definitely some type of twin flame. Um, past life journey here. Yeah. Is it? Okay. Something about your connection might have to do with your Scorpion placements here, possibly Gemini too as well, but I think it's more Scorpion placements. So this relationship brings out insecurities here within both parties or one. You know where your placement is. What is the Queen of Coins here? Knight of Cups. This person will come in with a message here. With this judgment and this Knight of Cups toward the Queen of Pentacles here. They're being called to do it. Mm-hmm. Somebody's being called to do it. That's the gray area in here. Yeah. Somebody walked away thinking something was going to work, but it ended up being more toxic here, or they ended up obsessing more over you here. Yeah, in their mind. What's the Queen of Coins? The Wheel. I feel like with this Queen of Pentacles, a lot of things are changing in your life. You've been through a whole lot of changes here, especially if you that Empress. The Empress been through a whole lot. So you've been through a whole lot dealing with this situation here. Maybe even when it came to your finances, your security, things of that nature here. Some of you knew something wasn't going to work out here when it came to this person being in the third party. I feel like some of you even tried to fight for something here. You even warned this person. Okay. Could be talking to a Capricorn with this wheel. What's this? The Star. You are the star. Could be Aquarius. I feel like you're now on a healing journey here too. Here, wishes and blessings is coming to you. Um, Maybe even if it don't seem like it, I want to say, but they are. Luck is by your side here. Okay, what is the um? You're gonna be okay. Whoever you are that's going through this. What's this five of coins here? For a one. Some of you might be getting a new home here. Hold on, y'all. I know it's gonna get loud in this motherfucker. Alright. Okay, yeah. Somebody might have lost a home. I feel like you'll get a home back here. This might be a loss of a marriage here too as well. Real estate, but I feel like you'll get another one. I really do, especially with this wheel and this star here. Your money will start healing here. Also see where somebody with that five of pentacles a home is not a home without you here. Let's see. What's this four of wands here? Yeah, things are opening up for you, especially financially here with this 1111 card. That's a portal here. Ooh, what is this here? Ten of Cups. You'll be happy again here. For some of you, this might have something to do with a family business here too, as well. Inheritance here. You got somebody here that don't want to see you in some type of hardship here. They all in their head about how they can reconnect here with you or help you out here. Okay, so somebody's feeling guilty too. What is this Queen of Cups here? What's she talking about? Queen of Cups. She got the nine cups and the nine cups twice here. Okay, I'm gonna talk about nobody bad. Let's see. Who is this? Nine of Cups and this Queen of Cups. King of Wands here. Okay, so somebody got somebody who see them as wish fulfillment here. Could be a fire sign here. So this could be a water sign dealing with a fire sign here. This person wants you. They wants to provide for you here. What's this? Tower. And the Ace of Swords. This person realized some type of truth here. This might be someone that you realize some truth about here. Something was built on a false foundation when it came to this person here. But now they see you as their true love here. Okay. So we got a couple of stories here. Okay. What's this nine of cups? Not cups with the nine cups, but let's see. This could be a marriage here as well. With that 10 of cups going into this 9 of cups. Here, I seen the 9 of swords. Somebody's worried. Okay. Hangman and reverse here. Somebody's getting some type of enlightenment here, understanding here. That is a possibility that you won't hang on to them here with this hangman and reverse. That you won't stick around here. Some of you are starting to live more in your truth too as well. Let's see. Nine of Wands here. They want to hold on to you here. You got a couple of nines here. So something is coming to an end here. This person no longer can resist something. I feel. Yeah, they stressed out. Like, oh, fuck. Too. Trying to figure out. They might even be spying on you, keeping an eye out on you here. Stressed about what they see here. Perhaps you're out there having fun, having a blast. Here, they might see something on social media here. Yeah, yeah. Somebody's fearful that somebody is going to take a leap of faith with someone else here. That's stress, worried, anxiety here. Somebody's staying up all night with this hangman in reverse and this nine of wands. They can't stop thinking about you. And 26 is not bad. Yeah, they are coming toward you. I might be talking to a Cancer. They're worried about you, Cancer. Here. They see that you're very determined here. This gives me the energy of like they don't really know how to read this, how to take this here. Wondering will you resist them and keep moving forward, or will you come back and hold on to this love? Okay, this is cherry. Yeah, could be dealing with a Leo here. Yeah, they worry you're gonna find happiness at somewhere else. That's why I'm seeing that. So we got two separate stories here, but they all coincide one another, right? What is the King of Arrows, which is the King of Swords? Oh, shit. Three of Cups. Reconciliation here. This could have been someone who had you in a third party here. What's the Three of Cups? Temperance. Wanting to heal a situation, being patient about a situation, wanting something to come together here. This could have been someone, this person, left out in the cold here. Now they feel lost without you here. Your ideas, your intellect here too, as well. The way you ground this person perhaps here. You got alchemy here. So this person feels very peaceful and at ease in your energy here. What's this Eight of Cups here? Excuse me, no, my family. Five of Cups in reverse. They regret something here. Regret walking away from you here. Yeah, they do. They thought they was gonna have a victory by doing so here, but they still feel lost here. They feel like they lost the other half here. That's how I'm seeing it. What's this Five of Cups in reverse? And I'm gone. Yeah, they don't want to be alone. Yeah, they regret leaving you alone. Yeah, they do. For some of you, they see it as they think you ain't gonna want them here. Could be a Libra. Got Virgo here too as well. Anything else? Somebody's in regret they didn't protect a union here. Now they're not sure if they can bring you back here, negotiate something here with you. The world, the Two of Cups, yeah. They want to end this cycle of distance here. I feel like saying with this world card and bring things back together here. They felt like they should have protected this union here. Well, okay, that's what I got. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Uh, I'll do another one. I'm just up.